tortoise one bright sunny day, and laughed at how slowly she plodded away. "Do you ever get anywhere?" he laughed with a sneer. "Yes, sooner than you think," said the tortoise with cheer. "I'll race you and prove it," the tortoise said clear. The hare burst out laughing, "What a joke, what a jeer!" But for fun he agreed, and the fox marked the ground, then called out the start with a voice strong and sound. "Keep going, keep going, just find your own pace. Keep going, keep going, and you'll win your own race." The hare shot away and was soon far ahead. He looked back and laughed at the tortoise and said, "I'll wait till she catches up, then I will go. She'll feel how ridiculous it is to be slow." So sure was the hare he had time left to spare. He curled up and slept in the warm summer air. He slept and he slept while the hours passed by, and the tortoise walked steadily under the sky. "Keep going, keep going, just find your own pace. Keep going, keep going, and you'll win your own race." She came to the place where the hare lay asleep. She passed him in silence without making a peep. The hare didn't stir, he slept heavy as lead, while the tortoise moved on slow and steady ahead. At last the hare woke and he saw down the lane. The tortoise was nearly at the end of the game. He ran like the wind, but he ran it in vain. The tortoise had won it, and that much was plain. "Keep going, keep going, just find your own pace. Keep going, keep going, and you'll win your own race. The race is not always to the swift, friends, you'll find. It's steady and patient that leaves speed behind."